Hey travelers, join us as we explore a lively neighborhood in Singapore, enjoying a smooth MRT ride and delicious authentic Filipino cuisine. We'll also help our friend purchase a pair of Tiger Onitsuka shoes, making for an exciting and fun-filled day. Our journey starts here at Marine Terrace MRT Station on the Thomson-East Coast Line. This line is perfect for getting around the city quickly and efficiently. We're on our way to Orchard, one of Singapore's top shopping districts. The ride takes about 30 minutes. After arriving at Orchard MRT Station, it's just a short 5-minute walk to Lucky Plaza, a hotspot for diverse Asian cuisines and lively vibes. Here we are at Lucky Plaza. If you're a food enthusiast, especially into Filipino dishes, this place is a must visit. Let's head down to the basement to explore the Asian food mall. Check out this iconic spot, the Jollibee. It used to be a McDonald's, but was replaced by Jollibee. Welcome to the Asian Food Mall. This place is a treasure trove of authentic Filipino flavors. Here we have JT's Manukan. Over here is Tapa King. And don't miss Lutong Pinoy, offering a variety of home-cooked Filipino specialties. We decided to try Lechon Pinoy today. Today we're trying the Lechon Paksiw and the classic Lechon Meal, both priced at $10.50 each. If you're not in the mood for Filipino dishes and want to try local cuisine instead, you can visit the Hawker Center located on the same level. After enjoying a satisfying dinner, it was time to help our friend purchase a pair of Tiger Onitsuka shoes. Onitsuka Tiger Flagship store here in Takashimaya Mall is the perfect spot for this purchase. Let's check out the latest models. After some consideration, she chose the Mexico SD66. With the shopping done, it was time to head back home. We hopped on bus 36, a reliable route that takes us straight back. That's it for today's journey. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Until next time, happy travels.